Ever dreamt of building your own online empire fueled by user opinions, just like Trustpilot? Today, we're breaking down the essential steps to make that dream a reality. First, design your user interface. Map out key pages, a homepage for browsing, reviews, business profiles with contact information, and a user-friendly review submission form. Think clean, intuitive, and mobile-friendly. Next, structure your database. Plan tables for users, businesses, reviews, and categories to find relationships. User creates reviews. Reviews belong to businesses. Businesses fall into categories. Choose databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MonGod. It's coding time. Select a backend language like Python with Django or PHP with Laravel, and front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Build robust APIs for data transfer. Implement review moderation. Add tools for flagging reviews, user reporting, and admin approval processes. This ensures your platform stays reliable and fair. Integrate algorithms for spam detection. Finally, implement a powerful search feature. Allow users to search by business name, keyword, or category. Add filters for rating, location, and date. Optimize for speed and relevance to enhance discoverability.